Okay, hi Sal. I built this flyer from just simple way. Now, as you can see, I already have this background from my previous flyer, so I didn't bother creating something. I just took the background from the previous flyer as a design, so pass it there and import my image. As you can see here, I'm changing the information, and you can see the icons that can't move. So this is due to it's been already there. I copied it, so as you can see, you can do that also. It's actually very good to do it that way. So me placing my informations and all of these things, as you can see here, that's my number, of course. I place some guides in order to be to align, in order for the contact and the location to align, so it can be straight. Here I head over to ChatGPT and I copied some information about what I should write. You can actually do that. It's actually cool. That's how you can use one of the ways you can use ChatGPT as a designer, not just go and design images like that. No, I actually do it. It's actually very cool because you can copy and it will give you some insight in all of these things. As you can see, the thing I just wanted to know some titles and all of that, and you can see youngest tech boss, and it's actually cool. And if you want, you can even ask it from some directions and it can give you. So it's actually very cool. So here, as you can see here, I'm trying to overlay and make it cool, but see, nice. Actually, this was some confusing, but I later on use wanted to use just white with outline or the stroke with red. So it's actually good. And now I copied another text again. As you can see, that's the text I'll be using underneath the youngest tech boss. Yeah. Now, of course, okay, the alignment, change the alignment, and as you can see here, um, there was not enough space there, so I struggled a bit in order to fit in. But remember, this was just a background I took from my previous design, so I have to cut them down and shift it a bit so the text can fill in. And I tried to put it by the side too, but I didn't find it comfortable, so it doesn't work for me. So struggle with some color and all of these things. But it's actually good. I just did this for fun. It was not actually meant to be posted, but I'm doing it because I thought it has some amount of ideas and some amount of things that I actually wanted to show my followers. So it was cool. So as you can see here, as you can see the logo, it's my brand. I wanted to write it full, but I just decided to abbreviate it HT Tech, Lukas Hassantii Tech. As you can see, it turns out to be the perfect match over there. And I wanted to use about decided to give it some outline and some drop shadows, and now you can see I replaced the tech boss with my name, then underneath it the youngest tech boss. So that was actually good. Just like I said, I didn't prepare to design a flower like this. So what I actually do if I want to design such thing like this, not like in this case, I actually sometimes lay out what I want to design. So as you can see here, me struggling to position some text and all of these things. It's just like having fun. As you can see me moving this thing beneath again in order to have some space so I can write some text beneath the Lukas Hassantii. So like I was saying, if I want to design, I will lay out my design on paper first and then I design. But you will see that very soon because I want you to check out my graphic course, like my Adobe Photoshop course on my YouTube channel. So I'll be putting the link in the description, and you can see the video here. You can check it out. Now, as you can see, so I finally get some inside there. So I was contemplating on how to do it, and now my flyer was actually ready. Actually ready. Now, thanks for watching, and bye bye. Please make sure to share, like, subscribe, and check out my courses.